y'all, it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I'm going to show you how I make my most favorite peach dessert in the whole wide world. Peaches and cream cake slash cobbler, because it's kind of a cobbler, it's kind of a cake, but it's so good. What makes it so good? It's got warm dollops of cream all throughout it. Makes my heart go pitter patter, you guys. So let me show you how to put it together. I've got 1.5 cups of self-rising flour in my bowl here. I'm going to add 2 boxes of cook and serve vanilla pudding. Do not get the instant. Cook and serve is what you need. So I've already got them open to make it a little bit faster. 2 3-ounce boxes of the cook and serve vanilla pudding. And you just want to combine that together. And I'm going to set it aside and get me another bowl. Now to this bowl, I'm going to add 2 eggs, a stick of melted butter, and a cup of milk. And I'm just going to give it a whisk. Now I'm going to take my dry mixture and add the liquid mixture to it. I'm going to take my electric mixer and beat this for 2 minutes. I would usually spray my pan with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray or baker spray, but I'm in my new studio today, if you've noticed the background change, and I'm still getting it ready, and I don't have pan, but I have butter. So I'm going to grease it with the stick of butter here. And then I'm going to pour my batter inside. So I'm just going to scoop my batter inside my pan and spread it around. Now in this bowl I have 2 29-ounce cans of peaches that I have drained. I try to make sure that my peaches are, if I'm doing canned peaches, I try to make sure they're either in light syrup or in water, then I drain that liquid off of it. I also like to use fresh peaches in this, but I couldn't find any at the grocery store this time, so canned it is. If you're using fresh peaches, then you'll need 6 large peaches, and you'll want to blanch them first, remove the pit, and then slice them into slices. So I'm going to take my peaches and just nestle them into the batter, just like so. No rhyme, reason, or pattern to it. Just push them in there. And actually, there's no reason to hold the bowl in the air. I have a table right here. And you don't want to just lay them on the batter. You want to actually take the time and press them into the batter. And it might start to look like a big mess once you get to the very end, because you got all these peaches in there. It's fine, as it's supposed to be. Let me go wash my hands. So I'm going to set my cake aside. And now I'm going to make the cream. So I've got 2 8-ounce containers of cream cheese that have been left at room temperature, so they're nice and softened. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And I'm actually using my homemade bourbon vanilla, which is fantastic in this. I'm actually out right now. I do sell it in my online store, but I only sell it 1 time a year, and I won't have any more until I'm thinking October, so look out for it. So 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 8-ounce containers of cream cheese at room temperature, and 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to beat that up until it's nice and creamy. And bring my cake back out, and I am just going to take this cream that I have just whipped up and dollop it all around my cobbler. Or cake. Peach dessert. And again, no rhyme, reason, or rhythm to it. Just dollop it on there. I'm telling you, this cake is full of peaches, full of cream. It is fantastic. I've also been known to switch out the peaches and use blueberries, and I have used blackberries, and they are both fantastic. I'm sure strawberries would be really good in this too. That's one I have not yet done. Put a little bit there, and a little bit there, and a little bit there, and a little bit there. I gotta get every little bit out, y'all. And the last little bit. There. Don't worry, my hands are clean and I'm the one eating this too. I'm gonna go put my bowl over here, wash my hands, and I'll be back. Now I'm just sprinkling this with some cinnamon sugar, which is just equal parts of cinnamon and sugar. I use about a tablespoon of each. And that's it. I'm gonna go put this in my oven, 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes.
Yum, I just scooped me out a serving. And y'all, check out this cream. Yum.
Y'all, there is a reason that this is my favorite peach dessert in the whole wide world, and it probably has something to do with all this cream. It is so good. I hope that you make it. I hope that you love it. Try it with other fruits other than peaches too, like blackberries and blueberries. So good. I've said it like 100 times, but it's true. If you've enjoyed this recipe, then check out my blog, mrshappyhomemaker.com. You can find me on YouTube, Pinterest, and Facebook as Mrs. Happy Homemaker, and I'm that housewife on Twitter because Mrs. Happy Homemaker, well, it just wouldn't fit.